Welcome guys back to the channel. It's your guy Mighty Gideon, and in this very video today it's going to be very more insane because I'll be growing this account from $2 to $2,000, trading forex step by step. Follow me as you watch the very video because I'm very precise on the direction to a mighty height, step by step, trading account to something very massive. So currently, let's go here. This is XUSD, and currently XUSD have currently been overall bullish. The trade have been buying for a long period of time. So if you watch, you can see that trade. So let me try and clear everything from the charts here to show you what I'm telling you. So currently XUSD has been bullish for a long period of time. So currently you can see that the trade have been buying, and currently if you want to know the overall direction of the charts, you need to first of all measure these very points. You measure these very points with this trend. You measure this very zone to this overall point. That is where the trade is currently. I'm expecting the trade to still buy to these very points. I'm expecting the XUSD to pull up to this overall point here. That is what I'm expecting it to do. And if you also watch, you can see that it is a second retracement. The first retracement was here, the second one is to that point. So you can see that it is showing some bullish momentum. That's the reason why I know it's still bullish, because these buyers are still active. So I've entered my buys now. The target is from $2 to $2,000. No time to waste. Let's dive in exactly now. So currently I'm increasing my lot size to 0.01 lot size, 0.0. Enter my sales. I'll enter my buys now to a mighty height. So guys, at this very point, we'll be entering at a sniper entry at this very point, because you can see at this very point there's a very big breakout from this zone. There's a very big breakout from this overall zone, which signifies it is creating some rejection like this. You can see what I'm constructing at this very point. So I'm betting the buys to that very point. At a very sniper entry, I'm entering my buys with 0.01 lot size. I'm entering more 2 buys at this very point. We need to buy massively and give us huge profit to a mighty high. Let's see what XUSD has for us. So guys, it is going to buy massively at the very point. I'm closing out to it in profit at the very point. I'm closing out to it currently. I've closed up position, and currently we are up in $5.45 at the very point. To close out to it now in profit to a mighty high. So currently I'm still expecting the buys to pull up at the very point. So currently we close this trade to gather capital to enter our next trade to something very massive. So currently I'll be expecting more trade with 0.02 lot size. I'm entering my buys now for a continuation in pulls. So at the very point, I'll be entering with 0.02 lot size. I'm entering 3 buys at the very point with 0.03 lot size. I'll be entering 3 buys now because our balance now is 5 point something. So I'm currently we're entering buys on a sniper for the trade to buy massively and give us huge profit, because we're seeing overall buys to a mighty high. Let's see what XUSD has for us. So guys, the trade is currently buying massively, and we're currently up a massive profit at the very point. Currently I'm closing out trade in profit, close up position at the very point. Currently we're up in $35.16 at the very point. The trade bought massively and gave us huge profit to a mighty height. So guys, at this very point, I'll be increasing my lot size to 0.05 lot size at this very point. I've been entering my buys now for the trade to continue buying to this overall point at this very point. I've been entering buys with 0.05 lot size with a balance of $35.7. I'm entering my balance now. We're buying massively because the trade overall target is currently to buy to this overall point. That's the target now, and currently we're expecting push up in buying continuation. This is a very sniper entry. At this very point, the trade is not going to retrace due to the point that there is a very big zone at this very point. If you watch, you can see that this very point here in the past is a very strong zone. It's a very strong resistance zone, but due to the fact that buyers are very active, the trade is not going to retrace. It's going to keep buying with the pressure, with the buying pressure. Going to keep buying at this very point, and the trade is going to keep buying massively to that very point, because there's a very big strong buying zone here. A very big strong buying zone here. very big here was a very big resistance zone. We sold that massively and broke out. Consequently, at this very point, the trade is not going to sell it and going to keep buying with a pressure to a mighty. I see what XUSD has for us. So guys, the trade is currently buying massively and giving us huge profit at the very point. And I'm closing out trades in profit. I'm closing out trades in profit at the very point. I'm closing operation at the very point. Now currently, we are up in $147.99 at the very point. Your mind here. The trade bought massively from our zone. I told you that the very zone is a very strong point that the trade will fail to break at the very point. The trade bought massively and gave us huge profits to a mighty height. So guys, with a balance of $147.99, I'm going to be selling XUSD in the sense that a rising wedge always breaks down and sell down massively. Whenever you're trading, if you're in my academy, you will know that whenever you see a rising wedge, it signifies that the trade is going to sell down and break the very trend and sell down massively. And note, your TP1 is going to be measured. You measure this inner box here, and to this very point, my TP1 is going to be targeting at this very lower area at this very point. That's where my TP1 will be at this very point. So currently I'll be selling this very trade now for the trade to sell that massively and give us huge profit to a mighty height. By the time I say it's going to be a sniper entry, I've been entering a sell with $0.20, so I've been selling that massively for the trade to sell that massively and give us huge profit now to a mighty height. I've been entering 5 sales on XUSD now to a mighty height. So guys, the trade is currently selling down massively on a very big sniper entry, and I'm closing out trades in profit at the very point. Close up at the very point. Currently we're up in $1,000 at the very point. We're currently up in $1,000 to a mighty height. Currently all our trades are going in massive profits, and currently gold sold down massively and gave us huge profit to a mighty height. So guys, with a balance of $1,005.30 at the very point, you see how the trade sold down massively from that very point. It sold down massively and gave us huge profit at this very point. So currently for me, I'll be entering my buys now because this very trade is overall bullish, and if you want, you can see there's a very strong zone at this very point. It's going to buy 100 pips from this very point. It's going to buy 100 pips. So currently from here, I've entered my buy with 0.05 loss. I've entered 2 buys at this very point, making it 3 buys at this very point for the trade to buy massively and give us huge profit to this very point. Expecting the trade to buy 100 pips and give us huge profit to a mighty high. Let's see what XUSD has for us just now to a mighty height. So guys, currently the trade is currently buying massively and currently on a massive profit at this very point. It is currently buying massive, and currently we are up in $3,000 at the very point. I'm closing our trades in profits. Close up push at the very point. Currently from $2, we're currently up in $3,032.13 to a mighty height. See you in my next video. Peace out.